Hello, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I'm going to show you how to use the FM transmitter TR503 and the TR104 FM has the receiver together. First, you need to turn it on and make sure the frequency that you need. Example, we need 92.5 and keep it this and change the this one, turn it on. You can see it's 92.5 as well. So at this moment, and they can work together. You just talk through the FM transmitter. The receiver will receive it. For all the FM radios and the transmitters, they are working in the same way. Just keep the same frequency as well as the FM receiver, and they will work together. But make sure use the frequency which is not used widely, so the signal will be much better. And if you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. Thank you.